Bro, niggas get lost. Baby, come here, hit the floor. Oh, y'all niggas better beware, cause I'm coming for yours. When money involved, I look at it all. Baby, you know that I'm next.
Hi my brand babies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. It's very fall inspired and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see for my next video. I'm going to start by applying LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to my lids to help with discoloration and to allow the colors on the lids to pop more. I am going to be using the Dark Matter Melt Stack today to apply my shadows. The first color I'm going to use is the color Blur, and now I'm going to use that to set my concealer in place. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Unseen, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. I'm going to use my Sephora's Color Switch sponge to clean off my brush, and I'm going to use the color Enigma, and I'm going to make sure I apply this color more so in the outer corner and blending into the inner corner. So I'm just going to create more depth on the outer portion of my eye and then blend it inward. The brush I'm going to be using throughout this video is the Ruby Kiss Fluff brush, and that's just going to be the brush I love using right now for this tutorial. It is a nice fluffy brush though, for it to be inexpensive. Going back in with the color Unseen, I'm going to make sure that the Enigma color is not so harsh. So I'm going to use that and blend it out a little bit more. I'm going to use the shade Dark Matter with, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Going back in with the Enigma shade, I'm going to apply a little bit more of that color to make it more intense. Now I'm going to go in with the Dark Matter and the Enigma shade together because black is so hard to take away. So I'm going to go in with both of those so it can help both transition well. Later on in the video, I will go back after I cut my crease and apply those two shades to get some more, to get more depth in the outer crease area. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to look up so I can know where to cut the crease at, or where the crease should stop at. Using the color Blur, I'm going to set that concealer in place on the lid. Now I'm going to go back with those other two shades, Dark Matter and Enigma, and I'm going to make sure that my cut crease is not harsh and it blends together. Now this part can be omitted. If you want to, you can pass it. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to apply glitter to the crease area. And also this helps if you didn't get the cut as sharp as you wanted it to be. So yeah, I like this portion, adding that little pop of glitter right there. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the color Black and create a wing. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline foundation, and it's the SuperStay foundation in the color Warm Coconut. I used to use Maybelline foundation, the same color, and that was 355 Coconut, but Warm Coconut is more my shade. Now I'm gonna contour, and I'm gonna cream contour today with the NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm gonna use the darker shade on that stick. It's called Deep, and I'm gonna cream contour. I'm not sure if I love cream contour as much as I love powder contouring, but I am gonna set that contour with my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer, which you guys know I love. And I am concealing my under eyes and the highlight areas with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fine using my Sephora 54 brush. And here's me setting my contour in place. And I did set my concealer with my Airspun as well, powder. My E.L.F. blush, and I just used the deep palette to apply blush today, and one of my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. I don't know the number of it, but I'll leave it down below. I'm also using WetNWild Precious Petal highlighter to highlight my face. I'm gonna use Maybelline's eyeliner, and I can't remember what the name of this is, guys. I'm gonna put that down below as well, but it's the black one. And I'm gonna use the colors that I transitioned or in the outer crease. I'm gonna use those, the Enigma and the black shade, to apply it to my under eye area. For my lips today, I am using NYX Duo Lip Combo, and I'm going to be using Cookies and Cream. And on top of that, I'm going to use my WetNWild, what is it? It's my favorite one. It's going to be Bare It All. On top of that, I love this combination, and I overlined my lips a little bit, and I was like, yes, maybe I should do this more often. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.